I had a seventh grade science teacher named Mr. Voitis, and he came up to me one day after a career day at school and said, "I think that you should become a chemical engineer." Now, I had no idea what that was or what that entailed. And he said to me, "It's very hard work and there's very few females in it, but I think that you would do a great job." So from that point on, I kind of accepted that as an exciting challenge, and it really drove me to want to be an engineer. Growing up, I watched my grandfather and my father. They were both tinkerers in their workshops, and I really enjoyed watching and learning from them, seeing them create things and fix things, and really figuring out how things worked. I've always enjoyed that, being hands-on and experimenting with things and seeing how they worked and solving problems. So I felt engineering would be a good fit. So before I joined McWane in 2006, I did consulting for a few years. And during that time, I fell in love with the days that I was out in manufacturing. So I really thirsted to be in the manufacturing environment. So McWane Ductile gave me that opportunity as a young person. And since then, everyone has shown me such respect as I grew, not only professionally, but also personally. And it's that continued opportunity that McWane provides that I know I won't get anywhere else, and why I stay. Anyone's considering engineering as a career, I definitely say to stay curious. You should ask those questions that no one else is willing to ask. Never fear failure. If you do, then you'll never know how much you can actually accomplish. So engineering, I think, to me, is definitely a way of thinking. So if you go into an engineering field, there are so many opportunities that you can't even imagine that you can use that degree for. And you are definitely bound to find something that you would enjoy doing. I would definitely reach out to your high school counselor, see if there's any STEM camps or science camps that are offered in your area, particularly during the summertime. There usually are. I would also reach out to your local colleges. A lot of times they offer open houses, engineering days, where you can go and actually tour the campus and talk to individuals in the engineering program. And then last but not least, if you know any professionals, reach out to them and interview them and seek a shadowing day so you can learn more about what they do day to day.